ये देखो रिलेटेड विद द थर्मल एनर्जी. थर्मल एनर्जी, it is the form of energy which exists as a heat. You know about the heat? So heat is the form of energy, so that is known as the thermal energy. And first of all, one thing, that what is the temperature? What do you mean by the temperature? What do you mean by the temperature? Temperature is the difference between hotness and coldness of the body. Okay, anything is the hottest or hotter object, anything is the cooler, so we can differentiate between this by the temperature. And the scale by which we can measure the temperature is known as the Fahrenheit, Celsius, Kelvin. These are the scales of the temperature. So it can measure the thermal energy in the form of these. Now in the chemistry, we can calculate about the thermal energy and all related process regarding the thermal form of the energy. And dynamics means, what is the dynamics? Dynamics means the movement. So how the temperature or how the thermal energy being transferred during the chemical reaction is known as the thermodynamics. So first of all, some terms related to the thermodynamics terms. So first of all, the term is that system. Write down please, system. What do you mean by the system? Anything which we are going to study about the thermal change of its is known as the system. Let us suppose that we are studying the temperature change of this glass of water. Suppose that this is the glass and having the water. So now we are going to study the temperature change or the thermal change in this glass of water. It is our system. So system may be very small, either it may be very large. If we are going to discuss about the global warming, you know about the global warming. So if we are going to study about the global warming, then total earth is our system. Whole earth is our system, because we are going to study about the global warming. So global warming means the raising of temperature of the earth and its atmosphere is known as the global warming. So earth and its atmosphere, is whole atmosphere, is known as our system. Next is the surrounding. Surrounding. What do you mean by the surrounding? Surrounding. What is the surrounding? The real or imaginary area around which our system being affected is known as our surrounding. Let us suppose that this is the area where if any change is there, then this glass of water being affected is known as this surrounding. But surrounding may be very small and very large, like the temperature change in America. So its surrounding is there, the atmosphere of the American areas. And if we are going to discuss the temperature change in this room, so this room, the limited area of this room is known as the surrounding of this room. So this is the surrounding. Next one is the universe. Universe. So what is the universe? System plus surrounding combined with commonly known as the universe. Clear, Sonam? Clear? System and surrounding both including is known as the universe. So any object will affected from its universe, because object is present in the surrounding and any change in the surrounding will directly affect to the system. Clear? Now we are going to start the types of the system. types of the system. I think you should note everything. Please note it. System is types of the system. First is the open system. Third is the closed. Second is the closed system. Third is the isolated system. Third is the isolated system. Come to the open system. Let us suppose that this is the system. This is the glass and having the water. In this type of system, this is the open phase. So matter can enter or out from the system, and this is the glass of water. So in this, heat or energy can transfer. Means energy as well as matter can transfer through the system. Energy can change, either it absorb or it can release the energy, and matter can change, either we can add the matter or we can take the matter from the system. So this type of system is known as the open system. Matter as well as energy can transfer. So please write it. In the open system, energy and matter can transfer. Matter and energy can transfer. Next one is the closed system. What is the closed system? Like this. This is the glass of water, but having closed mouth, like the cold drink present in the bottle, sealed bottle. So this is the closed system. Why it is the closed system? Because matter cannot transfer, but energy can transfer. So energy can transfer, but matter can't transfer. Matter cannot be transferred and energy can transfer. So this system is known as closed system. Clear?
How energy can transfer in a closed system?
This is the glass of water. This is the glass, or this is the material. The material of glass is that type which can transfer the heat, like the steel glass, plastic bottles, like this. This is the conductor. The material is the conductor of the heat and energy. Next one is the isolated system. So isolated system. Isolated means, what is the meaning of the isolated? Isolated means separated. Separated, अलग किया हुआ. ठीक है. So the isolated system is that system in which neither matter nor energy can transfer. In this, neither matter nor energy can transfer. So this is the special type. This is the special type of system in which neither energy nor matter can transfer. So we'll write down here, in this system, isolated system, neither energy nor matter can transfer. What is the example? The water present in thermos flask. Actually thermos flask is a special type of bottle or the flask in which, first of all, it is closed and its temperature will not be changed. If you keep here cold object, then it will be cold after few hours, and if you keep here warm materials or warm thing like the tea, so it will be warm. It is doesn't matter that this bottle is present in warmer or colder area. It is doesn't matter, because you know that the heat always transfer from hot region to the cold region. Like the energy always transfer from high level to the lower level. Where energy is high, it will transfer to the low field of the low energy. Similarly, this is the hot object and this is the cool object, so energy will transfer from this object to this object, and this transferring will be continued till the maintain the temperature, like that. If there is a snow falling in the high altitude like the Himalayan region of the India, then temperature will decrease. The land area also, the north area, south area of this area, we are belonging to the UP, but our temperature is also being decreased day by day, because the snow falling is at the high altitude like the Himalaya, Jammu and Kashmir. So why? Because the temperature of this hotter region will transfer to that place, and if temperature is shifted that, so here the temperature become decreases. Clear? So this is the type of system. This is the thermos flask. Actually this flask is having two layers, one outer layer, one inner layer, and in between both layer the thermal insulator object is present. It stop the transferring the heat from outer side to inner side and inner side to the outer side. So we can say that the temperature is being fixed here. It will not affected from the universe of temperature or surrounding of the temperature. It means the material present here is isolated from its surrounding. Okay. If in biology class we have to already many times discuss that the isolated cell, the isolated system. So isolated cell means any cell being separated from the body for any test, either in vitro or in vivo. Anybody present here the biology from the biology section? Are you also? So in vivo and in vitro, what is this? Vivo and vitro.
Experiment which take place inside the chemical reactions that take inside the body is called in vivo fertilization, and outside.
Okay, in vivo. So not only in the case of fertilization, it is used in the many case or any other case also. Vivo means inside the body, vitro means outside the body. Okay, so this is the about the terminologies. Few terms also are there. First of all, I want to erase this. है आपको समझ में आ गया ना? The state function or state variable. As you know, started. As you know, in the last chapter is the variables like the pressure, temperature, volume and amount. This is the variables, and these variables are that variable which can change the state of the matter. Gases become to the liquid by changing in these. So this is the variables, and this can change the state of the matter, so it is known as the state variables. And similarly, state variable is also called the state of functions. State function means properties, so it can change the properties of the matter. Similarly, liquid having the different property than the solid, so it can change the property of matter. Clear? Liquid and solid having the different properties, so liquid can change the these variables can change the matter, either liquid to the solid or gas. So property of the matter will also change. So this is known as these variables are known as the state functions. Okay. So this is the state functions. So what is the state function? Pressure, temperature, volume and the amount is the state of the functions. Next is the internal energy. Internal energy. And internal energy will be represented by the capital U. Okay. So write down internal energy. Internal energy. It is represented by capital U. So what do you mean by the internal energy? Let us suppose that this is the glass of water or glass of any object or material is kept here. So what is the internal energy of this object? This material, the system. So the total energy or sum of the energies, some energy in the form of kinetic energy, potential energy, thermal energy, electrical energy. So all the energies, the sum of the all energies is known as the internal energy. Means the total energy of the system is known as the internal energy of the system. So first of all, one thing is or one question is being in the mind that what do you or how can you change the internal energy? How can we change the internal energy? So first, how can you change? By increasing or decreasing the temperature of the system. So write down first, by increasing or decreasing the temperature or by supplying or by taking the heat or energy of the system. First point. Second point, by work done. By, first is the by supplying heat. Second is the by work done. Work done by the system or on the system. This is the new thing, that work done. Work done is the new thing, and in this work done by the system, work done on the system. Let us suppose that now take it, this is the gas, and for the gas piston is required. Okay, for gaseous study we need to the piston. So let us suppose that this is the piston and we are pressing the pressure here from here. So what will change here? The volume will decrease. Some work done. Who done this work? Piston will done the work and gas will compress. So this is the work done on the system, because system is the gas and it become compressed by the piston. So this is the work done on the system. Now you release this pressure. Suddenly you release this pressure. What will happen again? Yes, what will happen again? Again the pressure of gas will release the piston to upward side to decrease the pressure which increased by the piston before this condition. Clear? So piston will again reach to its previous position. In this time who will work? Who done work? System is done. This gas is done the work. This system is done the work. So I think you are understood that what is the work done by the system and what is the work done on the system. On the system means work done on the system means work done by the outer surroundings, and by the system means system change to the inverse. It means when energy released from the system, it is work done by the system. Why? When we compress the gas, try to understand very simply. When we compress the piston to compress the when we compress the gas by the piston, so some work or some energy will transfer from the piston to the gas, then it will be compressed. So energy of the gas will increase. Energy of gas will increase. But when we release the pressure, this energy will again shifted at that position from where it comes. So it will again take its original position. So there is a two type of work done by the system, work done to the system. To the system is on the system. So this is the work done. So by this process we can also change the internal energy of the system. And the third one, and it is the last one, by adding or by means increasing the amount or decreasing the amount of the system. It means by change the amount. By change the amount we can change the internal energy. So there is a three process by which we can change the internal energy of the system. Clear? Okay. Next one is work.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So which transfer is which energy is
Total energy. What is the internal energy?
the energy is present inside.
Total energy, all the energy, the sum of the energies. So we are discuss about the energies, sum of the energies, not any special type of energy. ठीक है? Next is the work. So work, this work is already defined here. Work. आप रोक दो.